I want to talk about a couple of reasons why you should create a YouTube channel today, right now. Like literally after you watch this video, go ahead and create your YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail account, create a Gmail account, link that to your channel, start posting your own videos, start getting monetized in 2026. If this is your first time seeing this channel, hit a sub, leave a like, drop a comment. I wanted to create this channel for a couple of reasons. I've created, scaled, and monetized 2 out of the 4 current channels I have. I've just added my 5th channel, which is this channel talking to you guys on growing your YouTube ASAP. I'm gonna be dropping videos weekly discussing tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. I'm gonna be discussing and providing ways, the different apps I use on creating YouTube videos, and furthermore, providing you motivation on why posting, creating content, delivering quality, and ultimately busting out volume can change your life in the next year or so, if not sooner. So just want to provide a little introduction. I know a lot of people start a YouTube channel or have an idea that they want to start a YouTube channel, but they feel discouraged due to numbers. They feel discouraged due to the millions, if not billions of videos or channels people have, and people look into stats, and say, hey, only a few people can make it, quote unquote. But if you don't worry about it, if you lock in, if you ultimately talk about things that you're passionate about, things where you can create your own lane, then creating a channel can be a positive thing. Not only can it serve as supplemental income in the future, it's not an overnight thing. A viral video is not the prerequisite of success. Virality, if I could use that word, something going viral is extremely rare. However, the longevity game and creating and posting content, even if numbers are low, and even if you don't even have a specific target or niche audience to begin with, if that's not clear, then it's okay. Just post. Start off with 1 video a month, try to go bi-weekly, then try to go weekly. Eventually get to some sort of schedule, but just start posting. Don't think too much of it. Don't have too many formalities around it. The goal is to create content in 2026. We should be moving in the era where digital creation, ownership over content, provides a path to passive and residual income. It also provides a path to purpose. A lot of people can share and pour into other people's life through content. So anyway, I don't want to make this video too much longer. I'm starting this channel from scratch, guys. I have 2 subs at the start of this channel, at the start of this video. So I want to have you guys grow with me. We're going to do this together. Drop a comment for small channel change. And let's grow on YouTube. Let's make a difference in our life. And let's make a difference in the lives around us.